Aba babanza n'ekitambo kya misa aho chancellor w'itendekyereri His Grace Archbishop Lambert Binomugisha yashaba aba okukozesa obwegyese kutunguura ihanga.
That your education is a tool to transform not just your own life, but the lives of those around you. Embrace the responsibility to be agents of change, agents of renewal, rooted in faith and inspired by the example of the apostles.
His Grace Archbishop Lambert yayongera yaheruka ko kujwara tumuhera gwo kushoma okuyaho no kwereka okugumisiriza amani hamwe n'obumwe obw'abeegi barikuba bateiremu.
Some have come to wear degrees. Degree. It's not just the wearing. It is the value behind that graduation gown you are putting on and the reason why you are putting it on. So the graduation ceremony marks a culmination of years of hard work, perseverance, and dedication.
May we pray for all the graduates from University of St. Joseph.
Dr. Gilbert Gumoshabe orukurura kanso yagira ngu itendekyereri teri kushorora mu madini hamwe n'enganda.
The university, it's true, is founded by the Catholic Church. But when you look in the congregation, we have Muslims here, we have Anglicans, we have Pentecostals. So the university is universal, is for every person, everyone within the vicinity in Uganda and abroad.
Bamwe mu beegi abo twagambaho abajwara izoberi baheruka kushemererwa aha bazaire baabo kandi basima n'itendekero kubakwatiraho.
Intwara omugisha ogu kusima Mukama Ruhanga obase kutwera kandi akatwasa kumara kuruga omwaka ogw'2021 turikushoma nomumanya enshonga z'okushoma kuba zitanguhi konka ahabw'embabazi za Mukama ninsima Mukama kandi nyongera kusima n'abazaire banje abo kuteekamu amaani okutwera omu by'esente omu by'endya kurebekangu twabasa kukora ki twabasa kushoma twahikariye kini
kandi nsima university egi abo kuba n'obunabe mbende omusaserdoti natungire kare kandi kereziya neyezonesa eby'empulizana eby'omurembe bitwine hati kurangirira amakuru marungi.
Authority entrusted to me, I confer upon all those whose names have been read a degree of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology of the University of St. Joseph. Congratulations.
Ogu gwabaguriye omurundi gwa kana barikujweka beegi abahereza emishomo yaabo aha rurengo rwa diploma hamwe na degree kandi omukoro gwabagurirwe chancellor w'itendekero ndio rumwe Archbishop Lambert Binomugisha. Ijob Kato habwa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Mbarara.